Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a golf putter grip. First, gather your essential tools: a sharp utility knife, your new putter grip, and double-sided grip tape. You will also need grip solvent and a vise to securely hold your club. Preparing your workspace properly ensures a smooth and efficient grip replacement process. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's remove that old, worn-out grip. Using your utility knife, carefully make a cut along the length of the old grip, being mindful not to scratch the shaft. Once cut, peel off the old grip completely. Next, remove all the old grip tape. It's crucial to get rid of every last bit. Finally, clean the shaft thoroughly with a cloth and a little solvent to ensure a pristine surface for your new grip. With the shaft clean, it's time to apply the new double-sided grip tape. Start at the top of the shaft and wrap the tape smoothly, ensuring it covers the entire area where your new grip will be. Overlap the tape slightly at the end. Next, generously apply grip solvent. Pour some inside your new grip and also over the entire length of the new tape on the shaft. This lubrication is key for easy installation. Now for the exciting part, installing your new grip. With the solvent still wet, quickly slide the new grip onto the shaft, pushing it firmly until it's fully seated. You'll have a short window to make adjustments. Align the grip face and any logos perfectly straight before the solvent begins to dry. Allow at least 24 hours for the solvent to fully cure before using your putter. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.